Good evening. My name is Navin Kumar Kuppala and my project is Ready to Design. My project members are Leela Krishna Kurapati, Gopireddy Anusha, Praveen Kumar Kakumanu, Manu Kurin. Background of the First Choice Foundation application. The foundation's major objective involves the identification of students with financial needs, connecting with potential donors and receiving payments to support poor students. The application will serve as a bridge linking the donors with the students that are in need of financial aids. The application will also be able the foundation to get more donors to give to the foundation and increase its revenue. Poor students can have equal access to education and other life opportunities. What is application? The number of students facing financial difficulties around the world is on the increase. The cost of the education is continuously on the high side, despite the fact that education is becoming more and more accessible. Several students have to work part-time to fund their education. The First Choice Foundation is solving this problem by linking poor students with donors to support their academic expenses. The foundation is a non-profit foundation relying on the donation of donors to fund the fees of the poor students. The First Choice Foundation mobile application. The primary purpose of this Choice Foundation application is link the students that are in need with donors. The application will be used to raise more revenue for the foundation in order to fund its programs. With the use of the mobile application, the foundation will be able to intimate the public and the donors with their activities. The First Choice Foundation application will also serve as a tool of creating awareness about the foundation. Project schedule. Methodology development. Navin Kumar Koppula, Leela Krishna Kurapati for 1 day. System design research. Myself and Praveen Kumar Kakumanu. Logo creation. Leela Krishna Kurapati, Manu Kuren. Critical project changes will not be discussed. Design approach of the First Choice Foundation application. Highly responsive user interface to promote user experience. Use of the foundation's official color of red and white. Minimum, minus and functionalities will be used on the application. The text and the font styles will be carefully selected to ensure the application is usable even by users with sight defects. Milestones. The creation of the project requirement documents, definition of the functional non-functional requirements, creation of mock-up application in accordance to the project requirements, the function and non-functional requirements, selection of the development framework. Challenges faced during the project. The time allotted was not enough because there were several activities that must be completed to achieve the objectives. The work breakdown was revised multiple times because we discovered that the work is more than what we planned. Some activities on the work breakdown structure could not be carried out because they depend on other activities. Communication and conflict management issues were challenges we also faced during the project. Contribution of the team members. Myself, I was responsible for preparation of the project requirements alongside other members of the team. I also worked on the mock-up application, created the first 2 screens. I also worked in the PowerPoint, also created for the first 2 slides. Leela Krishna Kurapati also contributed in creation of the requirement documents, contributed in mock-up design by creating 2 screens. Worked majorly in the definition of the functional and non-functional requirement. Anusha worked more on the functional requirements by drawing the user interaction diagrams and maps. Praveen worked on them, collecting the work, driving the ERDS and use cases. Manu Kurin managed the complete team to actively participate in these discussion forums, contributed in the creation of the PowerPoint slides, also worked on the mock-up application in the choice of color selection. Thank you for your time. We are team ready to design.